Hi viewers, now we discuss the topic exercise 1.1 fourth question. Use Euclid's division lemma to show that the square of any positive integer is either of the form of 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integer m. Here any positive integer, square of the any positive integer, we prove that as in the form 3m or 3m plus 1. Listen carefully and don't skip the solution. Let a be any positive integer. Now we prove that the square of any positive integer is of the form either 3m or 3m plus 1 for m is some integer. By using Euclid's division algorithm, that is a equals to b into q plus r comma q belongs to some positive integer, that is z plus, where 0 less than or equals to r less than b. 3m or 3m plus 1 are comparing with b into q plus r, so b value makes equals to 3. Put b equals to 3 in the above equation. A equals to 3 into q plus r, comma q belongs to z plus, where 0 less than or equals to r less than 3. So the remainder small r is lies between from 0 and 3. So the value as 0, 1 and 2. Apply squaring on both sides. So let left side as a whole square and right side as 3q plus r whole square. Now it is in the form of a plus b whole square, that equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square, where a equals to 3q and b equals to r. Now substitute in that formula. A value as 3q, a square means 3q whole square, plus 2 into a means 3q, b means r, plus b square means b value as r, b square apply squaring. Now 3q whole square, it is in the form of a into b whole power m, means written as a power m into b power m, like 3q whole square can be written as 3 square into q square, plus 2 into 3 into q into r plus r square. Now we take it this step continuation as in next page. Yes. Now continuation, 3 square is in the form of like a square, means a into a. So 3 square can be written as 3 into 3 into q square, plus 3 into 2 into q into r plus r square. So we observe as in the first two terms as 3, take it as common. The remaining term as 3 into q square, plus 3 take it outside as in the second term, remaining term as 2 into q into r plus r square. So 3q square plus 2qr. Observe here, q is some positive integer, qr also a positive integer. Multiply with 3 and 2 respectively. Here the constant value we choose as m, where m is any constant value only. So clearly 3q square plus 2q r value makes as m. So a square equals to 3 into 3q square plus 2 into qr value makes as some constant, that is m plus r square. Now if r equals to 0, substitute as in the above equation. Then a square equals to 3m plus r value as 0. So 0 square, r square means 0 square, that equals to 3m plus 0 square is nothing but 0 only. So 3m plus 0 value equals to 3m. Next, if r equals to 1, then substitute as in the above equation. A square equals to 3m plus r square means 1 square. So 3m plus 1 square means 1 only. if r equals to 0 1 after we apply 2 as in the above equation, then a square equals to 3m plus r square means 2 square, that equals to 3m plus 2 square means value as 4. Next step, 3m, that 4 value we treated as 3 plus 1. So again 3 can be treated as 3 into 1. The two terms contains as 3 common. 3 take it outside. The first term as m remaining plus as in the second term as 3 take it outside. 1 as remaining plus 1. So here m plus 1 is it again m only we choose because m is a constant. For that constant 2 plus 1 is it added, again that value also a constant. That constant we represented m plus 1 is represented by m only, that m is a any constant. So 3 equals to m plus 1 means m plus 1. So if r equals to 0, then a square value makes as 3m, and if r equals to 1, then a square value as 3m plus 1. If r equals to 2, then a square value as simplification we get it 3m plus 1. So the square of any positive integer is of the form of either 3m or 3m plus 1. So the required solution we proved. I hope to understood this solution. Thank you for selecting my video.